We will compare Vancouver House in Canada and Marina One Residence in Singapore. Although both are high-density residential developments, they respond very differently to their urban context and climate. For the site planning, Vancouver House is located beneath Granville Street Bridge in Vancouver. This site's triangular footprint and surrounding infrastructure presented a major design challenge. The architects responded by creating a tower that expands as it rises, transforming from a narrow base into a rectangular tower above. This approach maximizes usable floor area while preserving pedestrian space and integrating with Vancouver's dense urban fabric. In contrast, Marina One Residence is situated within Singapore's central business district. Instead of responding to a constrained site, the project unifies 4 towers around a large central courtyard known as the Green Heart. The development combines residential, office, retail, and public spaces into a single integrated precinct, creating a highly connected urban community. The facade of Vancouver House is driven by geometry and site constraints. Its twisting form and cascading balconies create a dynamic appearance that changes from different viewpoints. The building's sculptural facade becomes an architecture landmark while maximizing views towards the waterfront and surrounding mountains. Marina One adopts a climate-responsive facade strategy. Large architecture louvers and recessed balconies provide shading from Singapore's intense tropical sun. Rather than focusing on visual expression alone, the facade works as part of a larger environmental system that improves comfort and reduces heat gain. Landscape is where 2 projects differ most significantly. At Vancouver House, landscape is integrated primarily through public spaces surrounding the tower and its connection to Vancouver's urban waterfront environment. The project reflects the city's planning philosophy of combining dense development with access to nature. Marina One places landscape at the center of the development. The Green Heart is a multi-level tropical garden surrounded by the 4 towers. Inspired by natural ecosystems, it contains layered vegetation, stepped gardens, and public spaces that help create a cooler microclimate while increasing biodiversity within the city center. The landscape is not an addition to the building, it is the organizing element of the entire project. Another important aspect to compare is how each project approaches natural ventilation. Vancouver House is located in a temperature climate where thermal comfort is achieved through a combination of operable windows, a high-performance building envelope, and a mechanical system. The tower's orientation and floor layout allows residents to benefit from natural airflow during suitable weather conditions. However, due to seasonal temperature variation and cold winters, the building relies more heavily on controlled indoor environments than on continuous natural ventilation. Marina One Residence, on the other hand, was designed specifically for Singapore's hot and humid tropical climate. The 4 towers are arranged around the Green Heart, creating pressure differences that encourages air movements through the development. The large central courtyard acts as a ventilation corridor, drawing cooler air through the landscape spaces and improving outdoor thermal comfort. In addition, the porous building arrangement allows wind to penetrate deep into the site, while the extensive greenery helps cool the surrounding air through evapotranspiration. This creates a more comfortable microclimate and reduces the urban heat island effect. As a result, Marina One integrates natural ventilation as a key environmental strategy, whereas Vancouver House prioritizes a balance between natural ventilation, insulation, and mechanical climate control. This comparison highlights how climate directly influences design decisions. In Vancouver, the goal is to retain heat during colder months while allowing occasional natural ventilation. In Singapore, the goal is to maximize airflow and dissipate heat throughout the year. In conclusion, Vancouver House demonstrates how innovative form can overcome challenging site constraints, while Marina One Residence showcases how landscape and environmental design can shape an entire urban community.